Hello everyone, welcome to the session on media research and research methodology. Myself Dr. Anisha, faculty at NITTE Institute of Communication, NITTE University. Today in this module we are going to discuss on the differences between quantitative and qualitative research. The outcome of this module, you would be able to learn the basic idea of quantitative and qualitative research, also the process involved in quantitative and qualitative research, and also able to differentiate between the quantitative and qualitative research. Let's look in detail.
So let's begin. Here we are going to discuss about quantitative and qualitative research. The learning outcomes, you will be able to understand the basic idea of research approaches, understand quantitative and qualitative method, also differentiate between quantitative and qualitative research. When collecting and analyzing data, quantitative research deals with numbers and statistics, while qualitative research deals with words and meanings. Both are important for gaining different kinds of knowledge. Quantitative data. Here, quantitative research is expressed in numbers and graphs. It is used to test or confirm theories or assumptions. This type of research can be used to establish generalizable facts about a topic. Common quantitative methods include experiments, observation, recorded as numbers, and surveys with close-ended questions. Qualitative research is expressed in words. It is used to understand concepts, thoughts, or experiences. This type of research enables you to gather in-depth insight on topics that are not well understood. Common qualitative method includes interviews with open-ended questions, observations described in words, and literature review that explore concepts and theories. So let's look at qualitative versus quantitative. Quantitative focus on testing the theories and hypotheses, whereas qualitative focus on exploring ideas, then formulating a theory or a hypothesis. Here, quantitative analysis through maths and statistical analysis. Here, it is analyzed by summarizing, categorizing, and interpreting. Quantitative is mainly expressed in graphs and tables, whereas qualitative is expressed in words. Quantitative requires many respondents, whereas qualitative require few respondents. Quantitative is more a close-ended multiple choice question, whereas qualitative is an open-ended questions. The key terms are testing, measurement, objectivity, and replicability, whereas here the key terms are understanding, context, complexity, subjectivity. Quantitative data collection methods. In order to collect quantitative data, we do survey. List of closed or multiple choice question that is distributed to a sample via online, in person, or over the phone. Experiments, situation in which variables are controlled and manipulated to establish the cause and effect relationship. Observation, observing subject in a natural environment where variables cannot be controlled. These are some of the data collection methods in quantitative data. In qualitative data, interviews, asking open-ended questions verbally to respondent. Focus group, discussion among groups of people about a topic to gather opinion that can be used for further research. Ethnography, participating in a community or an organization for an extended period of time to closely observe culture and behavior. Literature review, survey of published works by others. A rule of thumb for deciding whether to use quantitative or qualitative data is use quantitative data if you want to confirm or test something like a theory or a hypothesis. Use qualitative data if you want to understand something like concepts, thoughts, experiences. Quantitative research approach. Example, you survey 300 students at your university and ask them questions such as, on a scale of 1 to 5, how satisfied are you with your professors? You can perform statistical analysis on a data and show conclusion on such as an average students rated their professor X, Y, Z or whatever. This is a quantitative research approach. Qualitative research approach, you conduct an in-depth interview with 15 students and ask them open-ended questions such as how satisfied are you with your studies? What is the most positive aspect of your study program? What can be done to improve the study program? Based on these answers, you get to ask a follow-up questions to clarify things. You transcribe all the interviews using transcriptions software and you try to find the commonalities and a pattern. This is a qualitative research approach. You have mixed approach. You conduct interviews to find out how satisfied students are with their studies. Through open-ended question, you learn things you never thought about before or gain new insight. Later, you use a survey to test these insights on a larger scale. It is also possible to start with a survey and to find out an overall trend, followed by interviews to better understand the reason behind the trends. So, you can use both quantitative and qualitative, called as mixed method in a research. This is also called as triangulation method.
Thank you. Hope this session was useful. If you have any doubts and clarification, kindly put your inputs in the feedback box. And also there are reading material posted in the same module for further reading. Kindly go through it. Have a great day.